and I want to promise that we are looking forward to looking for opportunities for Kenyans within Kenya and beyond the borders of Kenya. We want to look for employment opportunities, and we are currently working on the bilateral labor agreements with various countries. We've already done for 7 countries, and we are on course to do even more. And we want to urge anyone who is unemployed to be able to register themselves with the National Employment Authority, and also to come forth for those opportunities. The only thing that we want to do as a ministry is that we want to package our employers, not our employers, we want to package our employees or the workers that are looking for opportunities out there and package them well to ensure that the Kenyans that we want to send outside Kenya are able to speak in various languages, to be able to be marketable out there. So we would also want to encourage open learning so that our youth are able to get skills, are able to study, are able to get certificates, are able to get degrees